When you whispered into darkness, thinking no one's there at all, I was listening in silence, and